Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix VTech baby monitor night vision not working, infrared sensor and darkness detection fix. Fix 1 is check if the room is dark enough. Turn off the room light and close the curtains if needed. Wait 5 to 10 seconds for the camera to switch to night vision. Then look for a faint red glow around the camera's lens. Second one is clean the camera lens and infrared LEDs. Turn off the baby monitor camera, then use a soft, dry microfiber cloth to clean the camera lens. Gently wipe the small infrared LED light around the lens. Then turn the camera back on and test the night vision again. Third one is restart the camera and parent unit. Turn off both the camera and the parent unit, then unplug the camera from power for about 30 seconds. Then plug the camera back in and turn on both devices. Check if the night vision works normally. Fourth one is remove bright light sources. Move lamp, night light or flashlights away from the camera. Make sure sunlight or room lighting is not shining directly into the lens. Darken the room and wait a few seconds. See if the infrared night vision turns on. Fifth one is check the camera position. Place the camera 3 to 10 feet from the crib, then point the camera toward the baby without blocking the lens. Avoid placing the camera behind glass or reflective object, then test the image in a dark room. Thanks for watching.